This is Mark Jim. Thanks again for dropping in. We are continuing on with this massage. Got good draping. We're doing the lower extremities, and we're going to be stretching them out. I'm going to do a little bit of tabletop Thai massage in this episode. So just a gradual introduction. A little myofascial. No cream. We're just pulling on that skin. Slow. So you got the cream on my top of my wrist here. So we just pulling. And we're going to do a little stretch. Anchor the foot. Good. We're going to hold that there. Stretch. And gradually, goes a little bit of nice. Just over the web of the foot. Yes. 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 And in this cream, we get a touch of cinnamon. It's very light, but massage cream is the carrier. And you know, we don't want to put too much cinnamon because cinnamon is one of those oils that can burn. So the cream diffuses that. But we all know cinnamon is good for a whole host of ailments, including sugar and diabetes. Good. Work those ankles. Yeah. Nice stretch. And we go light pressure going down. Heavy pressure going up, or heavier pressure going up. Grab those calves. The speed. And cross, work on the knee. I'll go back on the other side. And a stretch. We're warming these guys up because we're going to be doing some stretching where I'm going to do a little bit of tabletop. And crawl on that table, stretch them out a little bit more. Work the IT band, real gradual, nice. Use my fists, and use my body weight to go right up there. little friction work, but I got cream on the skin. So here we go. Yep, you heard that, nice. Good. 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 Nice, nice. We're going to work the attachments of the knee. Stretch. Yep, doctor, yes. Good. Good. Up. Good. And I'm going to plant this foot right up on my chest like this. Right there. I gotcha. Okay. We're going to go down. Take a deep breath in. A deep stretch. And I'm going to lean in. Good. How's that stretch? Good. Push back against me. Yep, it helped me get back up. Move that around. Go down. Good, good. Nice stretch. Push back against me. Push, push. Relax. Go farther out. Take a deep breath in. We support the knee. Good. Push back against me. Push, push. Relax. Good. Back down. Good. Good, good. Nice stretch. Good. 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 Down. So bring that up. I'm going to plant that on my hip. Yes. Slowly go up. Nice stretch. We're going to engage him. Okay, up. Good. Yeah, push back against me. Push, push, push. Relax. One more. We're working that ball and socket. Yes. Up. Good. Push back against me. Push, push. Relax. Good. Bring that down. And we're going to do a nice little, finish my nice stretch here. Yeah. Good. Oh, nice, nice. Nice, nice. And bring him back down. And bring him back down. Bring him back down. Bring him back down. And this is Mark James. Thank you for dropping in. That concludes lower extremities, some stretching. We're bringing him nice down. Nice, nice. Nice, 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 nice. Thanks again for dropping in.